Let's compare the city and the country. I live in the city. Tom lives in the country. I like the city, but Tom likes the country. Why? The city is bigger than the country. The city is more interesting than the country. The city is more populated than the country. But the city is louder than the country. The city is more dangerous than the country. The country is cleaner than the city. The air is fresher in the country. People are kinder in the country. But it is more boring in the country. The internet is slower in the country. So which one do you like? The city or the country?